Hey guys, really excited about this new brake fluid flush machine I just got from ANCEL. This is a pulsating brake fluid flush machine, so this guy's going to do an awesome job. Better than a traditional brake fluid flush. You get that pulsation in there, it's going to agitate any junk, grime that you got going on inside of your brake lines. It's going to help to agitate that stuff and then push it on down and out, so you get a really good brake fluid flush. It does come with 4 brake fluid flush bottles, which is super duper nice. Nice to be able to plug all 4 in and just get it going at once. BR2000 Elite by ANCEL. This is a gorgeous, really nice case that it comes in. It's lockable, so these won't just open up. You actually got to push on the buttons here to open it up. And look at this guy. All right, guys, so I'm just going to be we start out by filling up our new brake fluid reservoir. So this guy, we're just simply going to toss him in. It's got a nice screen on the end, and this is basically our weight. So it's going to keep it right down at the bottom, which is very nice. So we got our brake fluid inside of our new flush machine. I went ahead and these are all of our caps. So it comes with 12. There's a couple extra holes in here, but there's all 12 caps here, and these are going to fit all makes and models, and it does list which caps. I'm working with a BMW, so I'm going to use cap number 1. This guy right here, nice beautiful aluminum cap. That's just going to screw right onto your reservoir, depending on the style that you have. It just clicks right on the top, makes a nice secure connection. The next thing we have is our power cord. It's actually a really nice power cord. And then one thing I do like about this is this goes to the car battery. A lot of brake fluid flushers, they'll plug into the wall, which still works great, but this is just more convenient since you're going to have the box right next to the car. Might as well plug right into the car. So I like that it does have the battery clamps. All right, I'm plugged in. My machine came on. It's telling me what my pulse is going to be, and it also has a time that you can put, which is really nice. You got your start-stop button. So let's go ahead and get this thing flushing. For my first flush, since this is the first time I'm using this machine, I'm going to go ahead and I want to purge all of the air out of my line. So I'm just going to run it. Ooh, I hear it pulsing. It's taking in the brake fluid. It's pulsing. My pulse is at 1. Oh yeah, it's in there. Okay, I can stop it. Very nice. Our pressure is adjustable by the push of the button over here with our pressure gauge. So again, let's hook this thing up and get it flushing. This pulse is on 1. My time, I'm going to drop this down. I want to do about a 10-minute. Now I'm going to play with this and try to figure out what my best routine is. This is my first brake fluid flush with this machine. We got our pressure control, we have our stop button and our pressure relief button, and then we got our pause and our start. So I have all 4 bleeders hooked up. I've got fluid inside of my new reservoir. I'm going to go ahead and hit start. I'm watching my pressure. I like my pressure to be somewhere around 20 psi. Which looks like this is pretty close to 20. But you can see I have all 4 bleeder screws open, and I'm able to clearly see inside of the reservoir, inside of these bottles, how much fluid I'm getting out. So I'll be able to stop these as I need and judge how much fluid's going into each one. So once you see it get nice and clear, you're gonna know that it's been flushed. And I can already see this one's not bleeding as fast as the rest, so I can easily see that. So I'm going to open this up a little bit more. Oh, there we go. I didn't have that one open very well. And then we'll just keep an eye on our new fluid level, make sure that it doesn't run out, but I put a lot of brake fluid in there. I really like the color that this is coming out. It's a little bit dark. This is my own car, and I have flushed this brake fluid within the year. So it should be clean, but this pulsating action is getting out the rest of the stuff. So this is a much better brake fluid flush. I'm going to reflush all of my own personal vehicles now that I have this pulsating brake fluid flusher. This guy is just powering away. The pulsating action is doing an amazing cleaning job. You can see the fluid. I still have a lot of fluid left. Look at how awesome of a job it's doing. I really like that you can do all 4 wheels at once. I love that pulsating action that's actually going to clean all of the junk out of the brake lines. This pulsating action is the best tool on the market to get it out right now. So if you want to do a really good brake fluid flush, not just the normal brake fluid flush, but a really good brake fluid flush, I strongly recommend that you pick up one of these machines. We are going to have a link right below for you to click on. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this is helpful. Brake fluid flush needs to be done every 2 years. So let's get that fluid flushed and keep people safe. Thanks.